Welcome to Itz Sirap. In this video, you're going to get to see me beat someone's face, so stay tuned. Okay, so the skin has already been prepped and cleaned and all of that good stuff. So I'm going in with her foundation. This is Black Opal. And I do not remember the exact shade. She brought this with her. This was for a fashion show. So I did 5 models. So you guys are going to see each model. So I just used the foundation stick to apply that, and then I went in with my kabuki brush to blend it out, and you can purchase these from my website. And I love this brush. You can use it for foundation, cream foundation, liquid foundation. You can even use it for powder. So it's a great all-purpose brush. And this just really gets the product in the skin great. So now I'm going to highlight her face, and to do this I used my Mary Kay concealer. And when highlighting your face, you want to remember that you want to highlight the areas that you want to kind of stand out, or the areas that you want to be more prominent. So I did not highlight her upper lip because I wanted that area to kind of stay in the dark per se. And another technique that I like to do on my model clients that kind of help me with the process, I like to go up under the brows first before I fill them in. And what this does, it kind of cleans that area up so that when I get ready to do the brows, I already know, what area I'm going to be applying the brow product to. For me, it just kind of helps, speed up the process a little bit. So now I'm going in with that same kabuki brush and I'm blending out that highlight. And I'm going to bring it up on the lid a little bit, just so that the eyelid is ready, ready canvas to take the eyeshadow. Then I like to get them to open up their eyes so that I can make sure that I get that under eye area. So now I am setting the highlight, and you can do this however you like. If you are a baker, if you're not. I typically do not like to bake. On some people, it can really dry them out. So I like to just make sure that I set it. And to set it, I'm using my Mary Kay powder. And in my makeup kit, I have Mary Kay as well as some other products. So it really depends on the client. It depends on their complexion. It depends on all of that to determine what I'm going to use on them. You want to make sure you get under that eye. Now here, the areas where I didn't highlight, the areas where I just applied the foundation, I'm going to go in and set those areas now. And for the 5 models that I did for this show, I did their foundation first and then their eye look. But by all means, you can do the eye look first and then the foundation. It's totally a preference. Because the looks that I was doing on them was kind of like a natural, you know, neutral kind of look, I felt like I didn't have to do the eye look first. But, you know, that's completely up to your discretion. Now I'm adding a little contour. I'm going to add some highlighting powder, do some strobing and all of that. These beautiful ladies were modeling wedding dresses. So I wanted them to have, you know, like a natural skin look, but we did go in on the eyelid with some of my Itz Sirap glitters. And you know, on your wedding day, you want to look, you know, young, youthful, fresh, all of that stuff, but you don't want to be dull. So I like to do glitter. And she had the cutest dimples. So as you can see, that highlight is giving everything on those cheeks. Now on to the eyes, okay? So y'all know how I like to do it. I like to go up under the brow with a light shade. We want to keep that brow bone nice and bright to give us that, you know, freshly arched illusion. Then we're going to go into that crease with like a nice deep brown, you know, something that's going to give us a great background for our cut crease. And when editing this video, it did come out really long, but I really wanted you guys to see everything, to see all of the steps. The other videos will be shorter than this one. This one is the longest one. She was my first model. So as you guys watch the other videos, make sure that y'all refer back to this one so that y'all can see every single step. In the other videos, I will kind of speed up, you know, the process a little bit. So here I am adding this silver shade on her lid. And this is going to be kind of the base for the cut crease. And I am going to apply some silver glitter on top of this. And you can do your cut creases many different ways. For this one, I didn't go in like with concealer or anything like that to cut it. I just kind of cut it with the eyeshadow, if that makes sense. So you can do it, you know, many different ways. Anything that fell out, I just made sure that I brushed it away immediately. And another thing, when you're working with glitters, if glitter falls onto wet skin, it's going to stick. But if it falls onto dry skin, you can just brush it away. So with me applying the glitter after her face was done, it really wasn't a problem, because if any of that glitter fell on her face, because her foundation was already set, all I had to do was just brush it away and it was gone. Here I'm adding a darker shade in the outer V. Now we're going in with the glitter. I am currently still using the same glitter primer that I got in Maryland. I haven't seen it in my area, so I guess I'm just going to use it until it runs out. But I know NYX has a great glitter primer. It's plenty other companies that have glitter primers, so y'all can use those until I release my own glitter primer. Then of course I'm going to want you all to go get mine, okay? So here I told you guys, when I put that concealer under that brow, it really maps out where I want the brows to be. So now I'm just going in with this brow pencil and just filling in the brows. This step has made my life so much easier, so maybe it will help you guys. She already had great brows, beautiful skin, everything. So doing her makeup was a blast. It was literally just, you know, enhancing her natural beauty, and that was it. The reason why I didn't highlight her upper lip is because she did have a little hair there, and I didn't want to draw attention to that. So I did not put any you know, concealer there, any highlighting powder or anything there. I just, you know, put the foundation on it and it was fine. And I am going to bring you guys a video of me shaving my face. I, as well as everybody, has hair on their face, like little peach fuzz on the cheeks and everything. So I am going to shave my face, and I want to do it on camera so you guys can see it. Some of you may want to try it at home, so I think it'll be an awesome video to do for y'all. So I applied her liner, mascara, and some setting spray, and now I'm just brushing in the brows with some brow powder, I believe. Yes, I am. And when I'm doing clients' makeup, I try to use as many disposable things as possible, so that's what I was using there. This was the finished look. It was amazing, super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with your friends, okay? We all need to be on Itz Sirap, okay? So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.